You're just detained right now, okay?
Detained for going for.
You're not under arrest, so you can detain that.
There's a warrant out, okay?
Yeah. Do you have anything on you not supposed to have? No.
On the 7th of March, 2026, officers contacted a man at a Hawaii liquor store attempting to pick up an order on an account belonging to someone in Virginia Beach, a person who denied any connection to Hawaii. The initial contact was a consensual encounter under Florida v. Bostick. No seizure had occurred. As the subject's account shifted family, then Bird Clark, then friend of the family, then Chicago, then Gary, Indiana, each version added to reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio. Under Illinois v. Gates, the totality established probable cause for fraud before the detention was formally declared. Inconsistent statements are circumstantial evidence of consciousness of guilt. 3 incompatible versions of the same story within 5 minutes is not confusion. A trier of fact may infer that a person who cannot hold a consistent account of a transaction is aware of its fraudulent nature. When the warrant was confirmed, the encounter transformed. Under Utah v. Strieff, a pre-existing warrant discovered during a lawful stop provides independent arrest authority. The stop was already lawful. The warrant removed all remaining ambiguity about the officer's authority to detain.
Hey, sir, how you doing? Good. Are you trying to order some wine? Trying to order wine? Yeah. All right. What's the problem?
Yeah, the account is not your account.
Oh, it's not your account.
Yes, but I was sent up there to come pick it up.
For who?
For Clark.
Who's Clark?
It's my family.
Is that your family name?
Yes.
Okay.
The account is, I call the account owner. They're out of Virginia Beach. They've never been to Oakland. They're not a family member of theirs. You just changed their secondary information.
No, I didn't.
And speaking up all about it.
Do you have an ID, sir?
I didn't have it.
Who's the account for?
Clark.
Clark? Okay. Who's Clark? What's the last name or first name?
It's my family, Bert.
Family what?
Bert.
Bird Clark?
Yes.
Okay, who's he?
It's my family.
Okay, why isn't he here?
I was sent to pick up a party. That's
Okay.
all I know.
Do you have a copy of the order?
No, I don't.
No? Okay. When was it made?
Like an hour ago.
An hour ago? Okay. She says the person lives in Virginia.
I know the people in here that I was sent here.
Let's step out so we can just talk further, okay? Stay right here. Stay right here. Come on. All right, I'm just going to take it down. You don't have anything illegal on you, do you? All right. So, who's the account for?
Clark. It's Clark Burger. It was the people from East Chicago. They was having a 50th party. I was paid to come pick the bottles up.
Okay. So that's not your family then?
Yes.
It is your family?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a friend of the family.
Okay, it's a friend of the family. Okay, can you call him?
You got your ID on you, man? Did you have your...
They got it.
So who is this? What's the name of this person again? Remember? What is it? What is the name of the person? Sir, what is the name of the person?
Clark.
Clark? Where do they live at?
In Gary, Indiana.
They live in Gary, Indiana?
Yes.
And you're a secondary, are you a secondary or primary?
I was sent up there. They told me that they put me.
Well, you mind just putting your phone away for a second while we talk to you?
I'm trying to call them.
Alright, well, you're not getting a hold of them. So just,
So who's Clark then? that you're a secondary person picking it up.
Yeah, that's.
Because you're trying to pick it up on a closed account.
No, I'm not.
When did you get added as a secondary account holder?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it gonna be within them?
Go ahead.
You're just being detained right now, okay? You're being detained right now. Hold tight. You're just detained right now, okay? You're not under arrest, so you're being detained, right?
There's a warrant out, okay?
Yeah.
How?
You have anything on you not supposed to have?
No, I don't.
Can I check?
No. Yeah, you can check. I'll just check.
Can I see what's this in here?
Yeah.
Is that just money or what?
Yes. I think my wallet.
So
I'll come talk to you. Hold
You'll
on.
come talk.
Just sit tight. All right, I'll come talk to you.
Let me bring one up and then,
Yeah, I just wanted to wait until one more card showed up, but she just did, so. You wanna go say something over there?
thank you, ladies. We're gonna go to the car in the back, okay? Watch your step for the curb.
This is your wallet here or what? How'd you get here?
They just took off. They just the police. I'm calling them. They just stupid.
That doesn't make any sense, man. Sit him. Empty bag. Reach.
The identity theft charge is supported by both federal and state law. Under 18 U.S.C. Section 1028, using another person's means of identification with intent to defraud is a federal felony. Hawaii Revised Statute Section 708 to 8100 covers unauthorized use of a financial transaction device at the state level. The officer receives an A-. Measured escalation. Textbook. Patient questioning produced 3 documented incompatible statements. The grade drops for 1 gap. Questioning continued after the warrant was confirmed and the subject's liberty was restrained. Miranda should have been administered before further questions. The subject receives a C-. No physical resistance and cooperation with the pat-down are credited. But 3 incompatible accounts of the same transaction, an account belonging to someone who had never been to Hawaii, and companions who fled every story made the next one less credible. 3 takeaways. First, a consensual encounter escalates to a Terry stop without a formal declaration. The threshold is objective. When the totality produces reasonable, articulable suspicion, the legal character of the encounter changes. The subject's freedom to leave ended before he was told he was detained. Second, inconsistent statements are not neutral. Changing your story about a transaction is admissible as circumstantial evidence that you knew it was fraudulent. 3 versions in 5 minutes is not a defense, it is the prosecution's exhibit. Third, a pre-existing warrant discovered during a lawful stop provides independent arrest authority under Utah v. Strieff. The fraud investigation and the warrant are separate legal foundations. Either one alone was sufficient. Together, they leave no ambiguity. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.